Guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a professional Mr. Beast thumbnail. So what you're going to have to do is look up Mr. Beast PNG. No, not saw, I mean PNG. You have to find a good image of him. If you can't find a good one, just look up Mr. Beast thumbnail. Okay, yep. Great one. I'll just choose this one. I'm just gonna borrow this from Farashock. I'm just getting the guy. I don't want any of the other things. Here we go. We got Mr. Breast. Now that we have Mr. Breast, you're gonna want to go and get like a drop shadow. If your program doesn't have this, then just use Capwing, guys. Link in the description. And yeah, that's what I use to edit my stuff. So now we got a nice Jimmy. We're gonna get like a grass background. HD. Wait. Windows. Grass background? Yeah, this is the one. This is the one we want. Look at the Windows grass background. Oh, let's work this into the video. Like, let's go back. Here we get Jimmy. Maybe go into effects. Let's make it like white. Make it like a glow, maybe. Bit of a blur to it. Put it in a bit. And there. It's like a little glow. And now what you're going to do is you're going to need another image right here at the other side that Jimmy is reacting to. So what we're going to do, let's get like Chris Mr. Beast. Come on, Chris. I need a good image of you. Okay, I'm taking this one, Chris. We're gonna need another guy, so I'm gonna go into edit. We're gonna go into, yeah, just do the same step as Mr. Beast. Also, guys, I'll let you guys know about my entire programs if you guys get me monetized. I'm currently at 56 subscribers. It would mean a lot to me, actually. So I can actually, like, afford to make videos. Okay, and now that we got Chris here, let's go into effects. What's that? There we go. We have Christopher now. Here we go. Now we got Mr. Breast, the Windows XP background, and Christopher. And now we're gonna need like traditional like statement like font. What is that? Lucky Guy? Luckiest Guy font is really close to the Mr. Beast font. XP. Background. In this video, they're going to be visiting the Windows XP background. Their text is going to be white. Text outline is going to be black. We're going to have effects, drop shadow. It's going to be black. And we're going to set that blur all the way back. And here we go. You got your Mr. Beast thumbnail, guys. Export in full HD if you have Capwing Pro like I do. And here you go, your Mr. Beast thumbnail. We have Mr. Breast and Christopher in the Windows XP background with XP background in font. Hope you guys liked the video. If you did, smash that sub, you know, all that stuff. Just please, if you want to see my entire setup, I'll let you guys know. Get me monetized, and goodbye.